All right, so last time we started talking about consensus mechanism, and we're able to look at what is it and how is it important, or how can we implement it in blockchain technology. Today we'll be looking at types of consensus algorithms. Different blockchains use different ways to reach agreement. Here are some of the common type of consensus algorithm that we have. The first one is proof of work, POW. In this case, the nodes compete to solve complex mathematical puzzle. The first person to solve it, or the first node to solve the puzzle, have the right to ask the next block and earn reward. So what is it best for? It's best for public blockchain that need high security and decentralization. Example of crypto or blockchain that use it is Bitcoin and Litecoin. And the next one is proof of stake, POS, proof of stake. In this case, validators are choosing base number of stake will mean they locked up as collateral. They validate block and earn reward. So if you are on this particular blockchain, you have to stake your coin, and it depends on the number of coin that you stake, that you locked up, that will determine whether you will be a validator or not. And this kind of algorithm is best for blockchain that want to be energy efficient and scalable. Example of blockchain that uses this proof of stake are Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot. All right, so the third one is Delegated Proof of Stake, DPoS. In this case, token holders vote for a small number of delegate witnesses who validate transactions and maintain the network. So token holders will vote for a small number of delegates. I said these are the people that will be validating new transactions for us. It's best for high-speed blockchain with active community. So if the community is very active, you can opt for DPoS. Example of blockchain that uses EOS, Tron, and Steam. The fourth one is proof of authority, POA. In this case, only approved and trusted validators can create block. And of course, they should be aware that their reputation will be at stake, because if you create a malicious block, it's going to affect your reputation. In this case, this one is good for private or permissioned blockchain that need speed and trust. Example of blockchain that use that are VeChain, SDC network, and Edera. Number 5 is proof of history, POH. In this case, we use cryptographic clock to timestamp transaction before they are added to the blockchain. So every blockchain that is coming to the block, every transaction that's coming to the blockchain is timestamped using a cryptographic clock. And of course, if there's a problem, it's easier for someone to know that this doesn't look like what is coming from the cryptographic clock timestamp. So this is best for high performance blockchains that need massive speed. So if speed is what you are considering, maybe you have a project you want to launch and you are saying, okay, we need speed. Yes, you can use POH. An example of blockchain that uses that is Solana. And the last but not the least is Practical Byzantine Fault Tolerance, BPFT. In this case, nodes communicate with each other to reach agreement. You know, they communicate back and forth. It is 20, or it's 19. Oh, I'm seeing 20. Oh, these other people are also seeing 20. Okay, that means it can be 20. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. What this one means is that it means that a malicious node can be introduced into the system. Yeah. So this is best for private blockchains where participants are known. Yeah, when you know the participant, of course, and you have a community, you'll be able to say, okay, let's use PBFT. Example of blockchain that uses that are Hyperledger Fabric and Quorum. All right, so that's in that case. Now we have come to the end of types of consensus algorithm, And until I come your way next time, I would like you to do something about what you are learning in the blockchain and begin to position yourself for the next wealth transfer that is happening right now. Thank you, and God bless you.